Hello students, this is teacher Hernán. I'm trying to make some meat here. Welcome to this class in which I am trying to teach you some vocabulary at the kitchen, at the restaurant. Here I have some cheese, okay, some American cheese, okay, some French fries. Then I have some salad over here, Italian style salad. What I'm doing is cooking, I'm preparing my lunch, some vegetable oil which I used for the fries and a bit for the beef, hamburger beef, as you can see here. So in this class what we have learned words that we use at the kitchen or at the restaurant. So if you go to a restaurant and you try to order a lunch or a hamburger, you can use these words. Okay, you can ask the waiter if he has a hamburger with fries. Okay, a hamburger with French fries plus something to drink. Okay, so in this case I am having some French fries with beef burger, and to drink I prepare some black tea. Okay, so remember, this is teacher Hernán. This is a vocabulary class in which I am making my own lunch. Okay, so I just finished making my lunch. I'm not a chef, but I want to show you the result, also to practice the new words that we have learned today. Okay, so besides the ingredients that I showed you before, I also used some salt. Okay, some salt for the fries and for the salad. Okay, so here is the final result. These are some French fries. Okay, here I have the beef with some American cheese, and here I have the salad. So here I have some grapes and some tangerine or mandarina in Spanish. Okay, finally I have some tea, okay, a glass of tea to drink and a cup of coffee with some muffins. Okay, this is a muffin with some chocolate chips. Okay, so remember the vocabulary for today: grapes, tangerine, grapes, tangerine, French fries, salad, beef and cheese, tea, and a cup of coffee with some muffins. Okay students, I hope you have enjoyed this short video, this short class, some vocabulary to use at the restaurant, some vocabulary to use at the kitchen. Okay, knife and fork, because I'm hungry, I'm starving, so I will have to let you go. Practice the vocabulary in a supermarket, in a restaurant, at your house, in the kitchen. Best regards.